Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's video it's gonna be about Canva, and I would like to show you how can you do your project real quick with collaborations features. So you just need to go open your Canva application, and if you work a project for a team, it will be very efficient if you can do one documents together with your team. So how we can do those collaborations thing, you just need to find the project that you want to do the collaborate with, and after you found it, let's say here I would like to do a collaboration for the company profile. Here I would like to invite my team to do the further editing to finish this company profile. So how to do the collaboration, you just need to click this three small dots on the top right corner of the documents, and then you just need to take a look on this part. There will be like a share button here, so you just need to go click it, and there will be an option. You just need to go click this collaborations link and make sure that this option is in a can edit. So make sure you are in a can edit rather than view or comment. Now if you already have this can edit, now you just need to go copy link. Whenever it's already written here, a copied means that you already have those link and you are ready to send those link into your team, and your team will have an access to edit these projects. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.